This evidence doesn't need 1,000 words, maybe only 6. Is Donald Trump in trouble legally? The new filing from the DOJ suggests, but does not prove, a couple of crimes may have been committed. First, obstruction of justice. The filing points to that, saying the classified records were probably concealed and removed in Mar-a-Lago. It's not clear whether Mr. Trump knew where they were, though it's worth noting the filing says several documents were in his office desk. And it's not even clear the DOJ would ultimately want to prosecute the former president on any obstruction charges.
The prosecution of a former president would be unprecedented. They still have to have a very difficult discussion about what they ought to do. Not what they could do, but what they should do.
A second possible crime? Lying to the FBI. The DOJ saying since its team found 100 pages of documents in a matter of hours, it cast serious doubt that Mr. Trump's team did a diligent search for classified material like they'd said. Here again, some key info is not clear, like whether Mr. Trump directed his lawyers on what to say.
Because the facts are so strong here, they can only really hope that Merrick Garland uses his prosecutorial discretion to say it's not worth it.
Some conservatives have suggested Mr. Trump should be held to the so-called Clinton standard, arguing if Hillary Clinton was not prosecuted for her handling of classified information, Mr. Trump should not be either.
I'll take it in terms of the result.
But experts say this is not that for several reasons. For example, the FBI at the time cited a lack of an effort to obstruct justice.
We do not see those things here.
But in Mr. Trump's situation, it's complicated.
That investigation of Ms. Clinton is over, and so we know the facts. This investigation of Mr. Trump is ongoing, and so there's plenty of stuff we don't know.
If any action is taken against Mr. Trump, it may not happen until after the midterms, depending on whether the DOJ applies its custom of taking no overt steps in the weeks before an election.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.